Alright guys, so we have this problem, security violation. It's SecureBot is not enabled. Learn how to use SecureBot at, actually you can visit this site and they will teach you how to enable your SecureBot on your BIOS. So in today's video guys, this video is, I will be helping you how to fix this and launch this Battlefield 6 open beta. Alright, let's go. Right, so first thing we're going to do is we have to type run on our, something like that. Just type run and you will see this one. Alt R. And then you have to type this one, MS-Info32. And of course, we are going to check if the SecureBot is turned off for our BIOS. So as you can see guys, we're using UEFI. So, and SecureBot state is off. So, that's why the Battlefield does not work. I don't know why they want it on. But, let's try. So, of course, you have to check your BIOS version. You just have to, copy this one and then type it to Google. You have to ask Google if your BIOS is capable of turning on SecureBot for your BIOS. Alright, so let's start. We have to restart our PC first, and then don't forget to press delete. So it depends on what keybinds do you got for your for BIOS. So mine is delete. Just have to press this many times. And there we go, we are at our, Gigabyte BIOS. At the first, we have to go to BIOS, and then actually the version of my BIOS is F55. So you go to BIOS and then head over to CSM. So you have to locate CSM support, and then, sorry about that. It was enabled, you have to disable this one. So disabled. And there we go, below you will see, now you will see the SecureBot. Then you have to hit enter, and then you will see here SecureBot. It is now enabled. After that, hit F10. Hit F10 on your keyboard and then hit enter to save the changes and restart your computer. Okay? And here we go guys, our PC is now restarting and it's about to boot up. And here we go, and we are going to try again if the Battlefield open beta will run normally. Alright? First of all, we have to open our Steam. And there we go, we go to library, and then we have to select this open beta right here and then play. And we'll wait if it works properly. Alright, it's running guys, and we don't have any errors right here now. So actually here's the proof guys that the game is launching properly. As you can see guys, this is the launch UI for the Battle 6, and currently we have no account, so we have to create one. So I hope that this video will help you guys, and that's it. Please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe. Bye bye.